everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn English together with me. Today we are going to learn letter F. Which words start with letter F? So we will go to study together. Okay, let's go. F is for fish. Fish. F is for fan. Fan. F is for flower. Flower. F is for fox. Fox. F is for fire. Fire. F is for fence. Fence. F is for frog. Frog. F is for fruit. Fruit. F is for flute. Flute. F is for fly. Fly. F is for friends. Friends. F is for fat. Fat. F is for father. Father. F is for farmer. Farmer. F is for food. Food. F is for feet. Feet. F is for freezer. Freezer. Thanks for watching everyone. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.